Alright guys, so today we're going to be recording because I want to see if we can catch some crazy moments here. Alright? So, yeah. And do not mind the background music. That's just my sister that's playing the music. Alright? I know I can't hear the music, but I think you guys can, right? Yeah. How did I do that? How are people dying easily these days, bro? How did bro just die like that? Whoa. I didn't even try to dodge that. I dodged it by accident. Come at me, bro. Come at me. Come at me. Come at me. What? My bad for my screen, bro. My bad. My bad for my screen. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to do that to y'all. I did not mean to. Let's go, I got the RPG. Fuck. Hey guys, please. I did not mean to scream the F word in your ear, alright? I mean, I didn't even scream the F word, so I'm mad right now. I'm about to teach y'all a trick. A trick is if you do this, then do that. Hold up. This, that, then you can go back on. So if you would use this ability like this, and like, well, if you do it correctly while a ball is coming at you, technically you should dodge the ball. And the ball should have hit the wall. You missed me. Get out of here. Alright guys, so now we're going to start. If we die, then we're gonna have to then I might have to end the video. But I'm gonna give myself two chances. Two chances. Oh, I cannot speak today, bruh. Again, for the second time, I cannot speak today. Nah, I go high when I jump. Woo! 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 Oh nah, bro. But one time I literally dodged 27 bean balls at the same damn time. Oh my god! Oh my god! I never knew I'd do it. I never knew I'd do it. Yeah, let's go. Aye, Eagles. Body, walk up. My bad, y'all. My bad. I mean, my bad, bro. My bad. Bro, I'm supposed to get Robux next week, bro. I should be getting Robux next week, bro. Cause I need a new controller, bro. And I also need some subs, bro. Can y'all please give me some subs so I could go live with y'all and play maybe some rivals with y'all or something? I don't know, bro. We could probably like do something at least. Like we can probably like play a few games until I might hop off, cause like I'm finna hop off, bro. I don't wanna hop off. Yeah, I'm gonna do live as soon as I hit 50 subscribers. I'm gonna do my lives, and you guys might get a live from me every day. That's only if you guys could give me a sub and help me get to 50 subscribers, so I can it can be like kinda sucker. I can't speak. So I can play live with y'all and stuff. I can't wait till I'm famous and stuff. Oh, and I was thinking about posting a video for my haters. If I even had any. I was thinking about posting a video. And I'm gonna really spoil it for you guys. I'm not really gonna spoil it. Especially if you are my hater. I am not gonna spoil it. It is gonna be something so funny, bro. It probably won't be that funny, since like you people have like no humor. If you do have humor, then you can just say it in the comments. So I can probably I don't want to say it. I could probably spoil it. I don't really know if I should spoil the video. I don't really want to spoil the video, but at the same time, I kind of do. For the lag, if you like. Well, guys, we might be switching games. We might be switching games today. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go play with my sister. She might be playing Murder Mystery something. What did I say? She's playing Murder Mystery. Steve, spicy chicken, it's spicy as heck. Ooh, mama, see it's a lava attack. Nah, guys, I'm about to play with my sister anymore. Guys, comment down below what you want me to play next. Cause nobody even asked me to play a game yet. Shush, bro. It's shush. I'm making a video. Yeah. Alright, guys. So this is the end of the vid. Bye.